Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make copper sulfate. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always wear eye protection, acid-resistant gloves, and a lab coat to protect your skin and clothing from splashes. Ensure your workspace is well ventilated to avoid inhaling any fumes. It is also wise to have a box of baking soda on hand. This common household item can quickly neutralize any accidental acid spills, making your home experiment much safer. Remember, copper sulfate is a skin irritant and toxic if ingested. To start, gather your essential materials. You will need a few inches of high-purity copper wire, which can be sourced from electrical wiring. Next, obtain dilute sulfuric acid, commonly found as battery acid, and some distilled water. You'll also need a clean glass jar or beaker for the reaction, a 6-volt battery, and a measuring cup or eyedropper. Remember to strip any insulation from your copper wires, exposing about 2 inches at each end for the reaction. Now, let's begin the electrolysis. First, carefully pour 30 milliliters of water into your glass beaker, then slowly add 5 milliliters of concentrated sulfuric acid. Always add acid to water to minimize splashing. Next, place your 2 prepared copper wires into the solution, making sure they are about 1 inch apart and not touching each other. Finally, connect one copper wire to the positive terminal and the other to the negative terminal of your 6-volt battery. You should soon observe a fascinating transformation. As the electrolysis proceeds, you will notice small bubbles forming at one wire, and the clear solution will slowly begin to turn a vibrant blue. This blue color indicates the formation of copper sulfate. Let the reaction continue until the solution reaches a deep blue hue, typically over several hours. Once complete, carefully remove the wires. To obtain solid copper sulfate crystals, pour the blue solution into a shallow glass dish and allow the water to evaporate naturally over several days, revealing your beautiful blue crystals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.